I'm Radu Popescu, and today I'm going to show you how to automate the MSI building using GitHub Actions. For this example, we created a simple advanced installer project that contains only a few registry and 2 files. The files are stored inside the project as a relative path by default, so you don't have to worry about hard-coded path when you upload the AAP project on GitHub. Once the project is configured, upload it to your repository. Now it's time to create the GitHub action that will perform the build. Navigate to Actions, then click Set up a workflow yourself. This is the step where the workflow directory structure is created. We renamed the YML file Sample App. Now, I pasted the template code, which you can find from the blog post. Here, we need to edit some information accordingly. The name field represents the name of your workflow. In the code, you can define a set of jobs, and each job can have multiple steps and actions. The first action is to check out the repository code just to be sure that no issues are present. The checkout at v2 is a standard GitHub action. The second action is to build the AAP, and we reference the add-inst GitHub action that is now available on our repository. Configure your action to use the latest version of Advanced Installer. Add your license. Define the path where the project is located in GitHub. In our case, it's on the master repository. If you have it in a subfolder, make sure to correct the path. Define the name of the resulted MSI, in our case sample MSI, and the output directory of the MSI. We also set an additional property in the MSI and increase the product version of our MSI. Now, it's not recommended to put a license key in plain text inside the file. To hide the license key, navigate to the repository and click on Setting. Next, click on Secrets and create a new secret and paste your Advanced Installer key. You can consider secrets something like variables. In our case, the name of the secret is Advanced License Key, as seen in the file. Run the GitHub action. After a while, the action should start and perform the necessary steps that are defined in the file. Once it's completed, you should see something like this. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel and also the Advanced Installer blog.